Right, summer's here, so what better thing to have on your table when you're throwing a barbecue than some beautiful, cool, refreshing tzatziki. Here's the recipe. Alright, we're going to start by prepping the mint leaves. Just take the leaves off the stalks, but don't throw the stalks away. You can keep those for, I don't know, if you're making a mojito, cocktails, cucumber waters, whatever. It's going to go really well with that. Bunch up your mint leaves and finely chop them. Once you've put your knife skills to the test, incorporate that into the yogurt and then we can start prepping the cucumber. Cut one whole cucumber in half and grate it. Once you've grated that, you're going to empty it into a cheesecloth and get rid of all that extra liquid. You're going to find there's quite a lot of liquid, so just keep going until all that cucumber dries out. And again, don't throw this cucumber water away. You know, if you're making cocktails, whatever, you can incorporate in that, or just do what I do, have a healthy cucumber shot. Anyway, now we're hydrated, we can get on with the rest of the video. Take your dried up cucumber and incorporate that with the yogurt and the fresh mint that we cut up earlier. Add in 3 tablespoons of garlic. If you're confused what this garlic is, I've done a video on this before. It's my garlic hack. I shall link it in the description and it'll be up above as well. Mix everything together and season to taste. If you're happy with that, then you're ready to plate. I just take a couple spoons and I make a small well using the back of the spoon just so I can then decorate it. I add in a couple olives that I've seasoned with just a bit of oregano, some fresh mint just to decorate it for garnish, and then I top it off with some beautiful extra virgin olive oil. So there you have it, tzatziki. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Alright, there you have it, tzatziki. Cool, refreshing, minty, good bit of texture is going to be on there from the crunch of the cucumber. Everything you need. Now, with a bit of meat between some bread. Quite a bit.